How to decale a faucet aerator. To decale the aerator we will simply need a balloon. If, as in this case, the balloon is too long, we can cut it at the point where it narrows. Now fill the balloon with vinegar and insert it into the faucet in this way, as if it were a cap. The vinegar will act on the lime scale, but obviously we will have to leave it for a few hours. If you are not in a hurry, do this in the evening so that you can leave it overnight. Once the balloon is removed, try unscrewing the aerator.